Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to check your tax Segurança Social. If you want to check your tax, friends, follow me on this video. Go to your Segurança Social, the official website. When you click the official website, you will see this page. From here, click on this one icon. After that, choose authentications and then just go back from here. Just go back, click this icon. This is for login. Write your NISS. This is your number, guys. This is social security number. Write your password. You will see this page. So this is the dashboard. Choose the contact current, this one, and then choose this for checking. Click this icon. This is for this check, and then click on carrier contributiva. This one. After that, you can download your tax security as a PDF. You can check here. This is social PDF tax, and then click a download. This is the steps you can do. Write your social security and password. After that, complete your simple process. Thanks for watching this video. See you on another video.